What up? You don't like it, guys? So, it's your favorite fan, Hakeem, Hakeem, Q, Q. Don't be a boo. Like one run for the other. But with a beautiful face. I don't know how to look. Beautiful. I don't know what the cousin screaming like a hate her. She don't even face her big. I keep on asking her because she said she don't look nice because I look good. Chicken. This is how I look. Yes, because I look nice, bro. I look nice, bro. Yeah, yeah. Okay. I look nice. But she's talking about her look, ne? That's because she don't look nice, ne? That's because she don't look like that. I'll even take off my t-shirt. In case I don't look nice, guys, I will still make my videos for y'all. And that's the end of the video, guys. Bye.